Wow! We're on the way to Zone Beach.
Beach on summer.
Yes. So, kini ang dalan. Ito yung
This is how
dalan.
we spend our Friday.
Well,
Yeah, Friday the
Wait.
Friday.
my God!
Friday madness. Oh, we have
Oy, ako kita makan. Sana ne?
look.
Yak, ma-slide. Ligid.
Oh, you need to speak English because
Dili na.
so, you know, adventurous.
Mountain climbing. The top?
Hey, you. I'm so excited.
Excited too?
No, we have a baon. You look what we have.
That.
Wait. Look. This is the most important thing.
Turn on ice.
Ta-da!
Ano kaya? Tulad ng ice. Wow.
Well, ganito kami. Kahit dalawa lang kami, mag-enjoy pa rin kami.
Correct. My God! I see the seashore. Seashore. The beach.
As in the beach.
As in the beach. And the beaches.
And I love nature, you know that. English sa peg.
Oh, saan na itong dalan? Detach.
See, the
See.
seashore, Cyrus. The seashore.